Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Skills. In today's video, we are diving into the world of calculations in Excel. Whether you're managing budget or analyzing data, understanding how to perform calculation is essential. We'll cover why we always start our formulas with the equal sign, explore the BODMAS principle, and provide real-life example to see how it all works in Excel. In Excel, every calculation starts with an equal sign. This indicates to Excel that what follows is a formula, not just a number or text. Without this sign, Excel will not recognize your intent to perform a calculation. For instance, typing 2 plus 2 directly into a cell will display 2 plus 2, but typing equal sign 2 plus 2 tells Excel to calculate the sum. Let's see this in action. I'll click on cell B2, type 2 plus 2, press enter. Excel is not going to calculate the sum. It sees that as numbers typed in. It doesn't know that you want to calculate. Now I'll go to cell B4, start with an equal sign, type 2 plus 2, press enter. Excel will calculate. Let's look at more examples. I'm going to come to cell C2, type equal sign, 3 multiplied by 4. Press enter. Excel will calculate. Now, let's move on to BODMAS. BODMAS stands for brackets, orders, or exponents. Others call it powers and square roots. We have division and multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, division and multiplication is from left to right. Addition and subtraction is from left to right. This rule helps to determine the order in which calculations are performed. Excel follows the BODMAS principle to ensure that calculations are consistent and accurate. This means that complex calculations are simplified according to this order. I will show you a simple formula. I will click on cell C17. I will type equal sign 3 plus 2 multiply by 5. Without BODMAS, you might think, it equals to 25. But because multiplication comes before addition, it actually equals to 13. Let's look at more examples. Let us put in, I will click on cell C18. Let us put in equal sign, shift 9 to open my bracket, 2 plus 3, shift and 0 to close my bracket, multiply by 4. Here the addition is inside the bracket. It's calculated first, resulting in 5, which is then multiplied by 4 for a final answer of 20. Let us try another one. I'm going to click on cell D17. I'm going to type equal sign 10 minus or subtract 2 multiply by 3. According to BODMAS, we first multiply 2 by 3, giving us 6. And then subtract that from 10, resulting in 4. Now, the final example, I'd like you to try it on your own. Open brackets, 5 plus 2, close brackets, multiply by 3 minus 1, close bracket, exponent 2. Now, I'd like you to try this by yourself and put your answer on the comments. I would love to see your answer. Now, let's talk about common mistake to avoid. A common mistake is forgetting the equal sign. Remember, without it, Excel won't calculate. Another mistake is ignoring the order of operation. Always double check your formula to ensure they follow the BODMAS principle. When in doubt, use brackets to clarify your intended order of operation. Now let's quickly recap. Today we learned the importance of the equal sign and the BODMAS principle in Excel calculations. Remember, mastering these concepts will help you perform calculations more accurately in your data analysis. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.